Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in into this video. If you're thinking about getting a GoPro Hero 7 Black, I'm going to do the unboxing for you so that you can see what it comes with. So it gives you a peace of mind if you want to purchase the 4K, which I got it because of that feature. So I'm here opening up the GoPro, and it comes inside with the white box. And as I unboxed the white box, immediately I found a GoPro diagram that it shows you the housing unit, how to install it. You also get this neat help card which has websites and numbers. You get this awesome stickers, which I thought it was dope, pretty cool, and you get this instructional booklet. And you get a 3 a.m. clip that you can connect into your helmet if you want to connect your GoPro in your helmet while you're riding a bike. And then also you get your rechargeable battery, as well as your USB cable. Here's my GoPro. And I'm thinking about connecting an external microphone, which they recommend me getting the Rode mic. Don't forget to get your Extreme Plus micro SD card, because the GoPro does not come with this, so you have to purchase this separate, which, so it's cool. I got it all hooked up. Here's my GoPro all rigged up, and I put on my mono tripod, which has a quick release, which I thought is a good feature. I can't wait to go out there, guys, and shoot in 4K. And so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like, and purchase the GoPro and go tell your story. Go tell your story, guys. God bless. Godspeed. One love. Peace.